Real Streets 101, we in 302, Mr. 187 grabbing my nuts. It's a lot of things, a lot of people saying they don't like people, they gonna shoot y'all, you know what I mean? It's a lot of Tootsie Roll looking motherfuckers around here. You know what I mean?
Cotton soft ass niggas, I feel you.
You know, it's a lot, you know what I mean? It's a lot of Peter Franklins. You know, family guys. You know, it's a lot of family guys, you know what I'm saying? And then there's fly guys, handsome guys, gangster guys, like O'dog. You know what I'm saying? And I sit back and I look on my childhood. As I sit and I look back on my childhood, I'm ashamed.
You got that right. Look, you said ashamed.
I'm ashamed because how did I grow? What did I know? What did I learn from this gang and street life? But most of all, I asked myself how I changed the monster I had become.
I just speaks. You want lucky ass on this video. Let's keep going.
Yeah. So you know, as I sit down, I say, I've been running these streets so long. I felt at 20, I was done. I was a 20-year-old habitual offender. You know, I feel like I'm an old motherfucker. You know what I mean? I feel like I need Viagra in these streets.
Slowing down.
You know,
Lost the hair. I feel you.
So, Jimmy, give me some drink. Yeah, I'm saying, you know, so I've been shot at since I've been home. Plenty of fights. And I've done a lot of bad things. This is just a movie. I can't, you know what I mean? We're just doing auditioning. This is auditioning. We're auditioning. This is not real. You know, some things are not real. You know what I mean? But people got hurt due to Muwa, due to the legend. You know, I don't like police. But let me clear something up. Can I clear something up, ladies? I got my man here, you know what I mean? My bodyguard, George. Y'all be they call him the Oreo cookie looking motherfucker, man. You know what I mean? We had a Trisha call him Oreo cookie, Hershey Kiss,
or what you would call it?
Or burnt bacon. But look, nah, so you know,
wait for him.
So
Scrapple big face.
Come here, having motherfucker.
Oh, whatchamacallit? Who's that Pokemon face? Yo, Scooby Dooby Doo, Solid Mystery Man.
Yeah, look, I had sex with this girl yesterday. She said he reminded me of this.
The girl's ass reminded me of this from the side.
Yeah, yeah. If you open this bitch up,
put this right here.
But when you open it up. But yeah, back serious.
Back to the real shit.
Back to the real shit, you know. It's a lot of things, you know, I've done since I've been home, you know. I feel like I've been blessed, you know. But, you know, a lot of times, man, in these streets. Hey, yo, Chris. Why don't you stretch your ass feet? Yeah, you know what I mean? We got the cameraman, he doing this thing, you know what I mean? You know what I mean?
Bussy. Have a cornbread.
Now we got the corn. We got the cameraman over there looking like Mr. Bean. That's not me.